up, everybody?
I'm gonna keep this quick. First, a quick life update. I have long hair now!
Wow.
Yeah, so I've realized that one of the reasons that I don't ever really post this is just because of the amount of time and effort that it takes to make videos and set up my camera and things like that. So that's why you may notice a sharp decrease in quality because I'm using my crappy webcam. So I've thought if I'm going to post more on this channel, it's just gotta be something kind of easy. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna try and do is maybe try to record myself burping songs a little bit more. That's how this channel got started anyway.
Oh, make a man out of you.
Ancient history. I just recently watched Project Hail Mary, which is one of my favorite books, and it was a phenomenal movie. Well done, Ryan Gosling. And of course, if you've seen the movie or have just like listening to good music, then you've probably heard Sign of the Times by our good friend Harry Styles. So today I will be burping Sign of the Times by Harry Styles. Harry, I hope you get to see this. Time to activate the party lights.
Party lights. Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to the final show. I hope you're wearing your best clothes. You can't bribe the door on your way to the sky. You look pretty good down there, but you ain't really good. If we never learn we've been here before, why are we always stuck and running from the bullets? The bullet. We never learn we've been here before. Why are we always stuck and running from your bullet? A bullet. Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. We gotta get away from here. We gotta get away from here. Just stop your crying, it'll be alright. They told me that the end is near. We gotta get away from here. We got to get away. We got to get away. We got to run. We got to run away.
Oh, gosh. Ugh. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I loved making it.
Thanks for watching.